Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Ubigi eSIM, a digital SIM service that promises easy mobile data access without the hassle of physical SIM cards. Let's find out if it's actually worth using. What it is. Ubigi is a global eSIM provider that lets you connect to mobile data in over 200 destinations without swapping SIM cards. It's all digital, so you can install it directly on your smartphone, tablet, or even laptops that support eSIM. The main purpose is to make traveling and staying connected easier and more affordable. How it works. To get started, you install the app, choose a data plan based on your country or region, and activate it instantly through your device settings. Plans range from pay-as-you-go options to larger data bundles, and you can top up whenever needed. Since it's all managed in the app, you don't have to worry about hunting for local SIM cards or contracts. Who it's for. Ubigi is perfect for frequent travelers, remote workers, digital nomads, and anyone who needs reliable internet on the go without paying expensive roaming fees. What people are saying. Many users praise Ubigi for its simplicity, instant activation, and decent pricing compared to traditional roaming. However, some report that coverage and speeds can vary depending on the country and local networks. Pros: wide global coverage across 200+ destinations, easy to install and manage through the app, no need to swap SIM cards or contracts, and flexible pay-as-you-go options. Cons: network quality may differ by region. Not every device is eSIM compatible, and prices can be higher than buying a local SIM in some countries. Recommendation. So here's my take. Ubigi is a reliable and convenient option if you travel often and want hassle-free connectivity. Just double-check your device supports eSIM before signing up. Outro. That's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts on Ubigi in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.